Yo, what's up, people? Captain Starseed here, and I'm here to tell you to kill your television. The battle's for the mind, basically, and you know what? I think most of us realize these days that we're being manipulated by media, television, advertising. We're slaves to what we own, what they tell us we need, what they tell us we should wear, what they tell us is cool, what they tell us is good, what they tell us is kind, what they tell us is sexy, what they tell us is beneficial, what they tell us is fair, what they tell us is just, what they tell us is reality. You know what? It's garbage. We've been being manipulated for as long as I can remember. And you know what? We're like computers, you put stuff in, it starts to program us, it channels our thinking, which shapes our behavior. And the only way to deal with that is to unplug. So I'm calling all of you to boycott cable TV, commercial media. What is entertainment really worth? We've lost ourselves in the process. We really have. And, I am an advocate of social media. We have to be awake, aware, and informed. But now is the time. If you watched the Grammy Awards this year, it was absolutely sickening. It was a Satan fest. And I'm done. I'm done. I'm sick of pre-produced music anyway. Pre-produced, everything, I'm just sick of it. It's disgusting what it's coming to, how, even the government is in bed with big business. And, you see that today, to me, any shred of respect I had for President Obama is gone after I saw him sign over that GMO bill today. Now, genetically modified foods have been given the green light. It's just disgusting. There's enough evidence gathered at this point to see how destructive this stuff is. Harms humans, harms the environment, harms animals, kills the planet. And the only reason I can see for it is greed and depopulation. Again, control, master control. So stop letting them control your mind. Fight for your mind. Free your mind. Stop letting them program it with subliminal messages and crap and shaping your thinking and your desires and your needs and your wants. Be free. And like always, I'll put a plug in for my man upstairs, Jesus Christ. Romans 12 talks about transforming the mind through reading the Word and letting it soak and saturate into the essence of your soul. I believe Jesus Christ was who he claimed to be. He said he was the Son of God. That's the very reason he was crucified. It's the reason why after his death and resurrection that 11 out of 12 of the disciples chose to be martyred for him, for his name. Why would they do that if he wasn't who he claimed to be? So you can't believe he's a prophet or a teacher. He's the Son of God. So, it's more than just saying a 2-second prayer. We've got to turn our lives over to him, put it into his hands. Pick up the Bible, start living it out and saying, you know what, God, I'm sick of going my way. I've been on the wide road to destruction. I'm taking your narrow road. And if you're a Christian, this message really pertains to you. Because culture is so far away now from God's standards that it's time to put the plug on it. Be you. You see me, I'm an alternative guy, It's okay to be free, But don't be evil, Everything's saturated now with witchcraft and, sexuality and perversion, Toddlers and tiaras? What's that? It's disgusting. You might want to think about that in context to John Bonet Ramsey. The sexualizing of little children. Wow. How far have we fallen, really? Anyway, Jesus loves you. He died for you, Would you die for him? Not on your own strength, but in his grace. Surrender your life to Jesus Christ today. It's not too late. Heaven's real, and so is hell. Turn off your TV. Unplug from the Matrix. I'm telling you, you're worth it.